I think all kind of people would be very welcome in this summer school. Hello, my name is Nika and I'm from Austria, Vienna.
My name is Yang Xiaochun and I'm from China.
I'm from and currently studying at Technical University of Berlin.
And I just finished my first year.
Je suis étudiante en droit axé santé.
I study applied economics.
Yeah, I have a lot of fun in the summer school.
It was really great.
I've learned a lot of stuff here.
We learn a lot about the design thinking.
I didn't think we would have this many tools here.
3D modeling, which is I haven't expected.
You can just imagine whatever you want to do and you can do it here. You just need an idea and the people that then can help you make it.
3D printing, the laser, and also the gamification, like how to design a game.
We have a group here that is so mixed regarding their education.
Literature background, others have like economics and yeah.
We worked together and created things that one person probably would have needed a year for. No matter what you're interested in, you're going to find a way to do it in the summer school.
I think the goal of the team was to make us self-reliant.
On a eu une équipe très pédagogue. Ouais, n'hésitez pas à vous inscrire parce qu'ici on apprend beaucoup de choses.
I think anyone can come to the summer school.
I stay here for a month, but it's almost like a home.
And hopefully I can come back sometime and get a taste of this amazing energy here in the Learning Plant Institute again.
Do you have anything to do during the summer? Do you have anything to do during the summer? You don't? So you should do it then.